Did you know that one Bible verse can heal years of family pain? Stephanie and Rachel were sisters torn apart by grief. When their mother died, they fought bitterly over the family home. Stephanie had sacrificed her nursing career to care for their mom in those final years. She believed the house should be hers. Rachel, a successful lawyer, wanted to sell it and split the money equally. Their battle grew ugly. Lawyers got involved. Family members took sides. Even their own children watched the sisters destroy each other with angry words and legal threats. Then Stephanie found Ephesians 4:32. It says to be kind and forgiving, just as God forgave us. Instead of fighting harder, Stephanie chose vulnerability. She approached Rachel not as an enemy, but as a sister who was also grieving. They talked honestly about their childhood hurts and different ways of showing love. Together, they found a beautiful solution. Rachel would gradually buy out Stephanie's half while Stephanie kept the home as a gathering place for the whole family. One verse turned enemies back into sisters.